Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time stopping by, thank you very much. Please feel free to join the family by subscribing to this YouTube channel. So this video tutorial is for beginners only, people that want to learn the foundation of crochet. The previous video I posted or I made is on how to make a slip knot. And I mentioned that slip knot and magic circle is the two foundation of crochet. You cannot begin any crochet without that. Okay, you cannot begin to make any crochet piece without the two. So we've learned how to make slip knots. I'll link it to this video in case if you want to learn it. And today we are going to learn how to make a magic circle. Okay, so right now it is almost the same thing as a slip knot, but just a little bit different. Okay, so if you are using one finger, just make sure you leave a longer tail. For magic circle, it is always good to leave a longer tail. Okay, so I'm using one finger to start, this finger and this finger. Okay, so I'm gonna hold, then use this finger to hold, then wrap around my index finger. Now I don't want you don't want to make this too tight because you don't want to have difficulty in pulling it out. Now that you've pulled it out, you hold this junction, grab your hook. I'm using a 2.5 mm hook and a 3 ply acrylic fiber. Now insert in the circle and yarn this over. So this is what we have. Okay, so you are starting your crochet. I always like to chain one and tighten to secure my circle. Now depends on whatever you are doing. Then you make your chain. If it's single crochet, you go ahead and make your single crochet. Once you once you are done making as much single crochet as you want, you close up the circle. So then find or locate the first single crochet and make your slip stitch. So this is your circle, this is your first round. Okay, so that is about that for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.